I ended up going to Harbor Freight getting this 3-pound hammer, and with this through the back I was able to knock out the old bushing, the trailing arm bushing out of the rear trailing arm right here. And now I went to Harbor Freight to get these wider Phillip head screwdrivers, because taking these out was kind of a bitch. So I did get some pliers to hold down the rotor to the spindle. I did hammer it down, and now there it goes. Yep, we got the DCT trailing arms. I was missing one little pin. Hopefully it's on the caliper, but I got it from my spare set. So I got the extra pin, e-brake pin off my extra set, just in case I need it. I could always go to the junkyard and replace it or buy a new. So here we go. I have to load it up into the turd. You can smell the couch shit. What's going on, guys? We're right here at Gino's garage. So right now we have the turd and the air jacks. Pretty much they made the drive all the way from LA. Temps were good, and so right now we're gonna be working on is taking some of this stuff out and replacing it. So right here, this is the old trailing arm. This is the ones we got off of a part out. Right here we have a bunch of assortment stuff that we want to install. Got some Truhart stuff, maybe a radiator if we get to it. Pretty much it's kind of a first time doing this. Try to replace, add some bling down there, see how it goes. All right guys, we're at Gino's. Went ahead, loosened this one up already. Went ahead, already took care of the lower LCA. Now we're gonna do the top one. So I went ahead and loosened these for right now, so I can use the impact. So we got this 14 lower control arm, 14 for the coilover, and another 14 for the lower control arm. So we're gonna go ahead, zap these babies off. There you go. Got one off. And then this one is a bolt on the other side. There you go, took it off, and now with this. There you go. And then we're going to take off this one, the LCA. There you go, put it right there. And now you basically want to give it a couple ugga-duggas. Oh. And as you can see, this one comes with 2 spacers for the coilover for the inside. So go ahead, pretty much get the bolt, put the 2 spacers in here so we have as reference. Then now is the 14 on top. Alright, so already zapped this one, the low control arm, pretty much almost ready to come out. Yep, same on this side.
誰